Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you clicked to watch today's video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how we prepare one of our delicious African delicacies called Nkwobi. So here in this video you will see how I prepared it. But first let us take the intro. Okay, here are the ingredients that we'll be needing. I have 2 cow foot in the pot, well washed and clean. And in the bowl here, I have some seasoning, 1 teaspoon of meat stock, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of crayfish. I have half chopped onion, white one, and just a little of the purple one to use to cook the meat. Here is the oil beans, which is ukpaka, and here I have the ehuru, which is calabash nutmeg. So here this is how they look, the calabash nutmeg, and I blended them. That is why it's so fine there. And in here I have the ash, which we'll be using to thicken our oil or to do the ungo. This ash is made of plantain, burnt plantain, and here is the oil. And I have the leaf that I will be using for it, and the leaf is ukazi. This is the onion I cut just a little to boil the meat, and I'll be using the rest of it to garnish the Nkwobi. Alright, so let us start by seasoning the meat. I'm adding the onion first, and I chop it so fine and tiny like this because I don't want to see them. Once the children see it, they won't like it, the onion. So I'm adding little of the salt. I am using 1 tablespoon of meat stock, not teaspoon, because I remember that is what I said. I'll add a little pepper, and that is it. I'll just pour 500 ml of water in there and allow it to cook until it dried of all the water, and then it is soft. And here is the edible potash, which is edible ash, sorry. The plantain, the green plantain, the back of it was burnt, and when it was totally burnt, the ash was packed. This is the ash. This one is better than the edible potash because when you finish using it to, eat your Nkwobi or abasha, you will still feel okay, not too much stomach. For people who doesn't like eating edible potash, this will be fine. So I'll go ahead and sieve them. Look at sand. Just sieve them until the water is very clear of the ash and have no sand. You will see how wonderful it works when you use it to prepare your ungo. So this is usually used in Anambra. That is where I knew about this. So if you're from Anambra, you should know of this. Alright, so here everything is set. Let's start. But the oil is sleeping. We need to wake the oil up. Imagine in summer and it's sleeping. Well, let's wake it up. So after pouring or scooping out the oil, I'm going to just take the upper layer of the ash water. You can see I have cleaned them thoroughly and it's clear. Look at how wonder these things form or turn into immediately. Look at it, just like this, turn continuously, and you will get your beautiful sauce. We call it ungo in Igbo. Yes, we use it to mix our Nkwobi, ishewu, or abasha. And this is how it came out looking. So I'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of the calabash nutmeg, which is the ehuru. I'll add the remaining pepper. The whole pepper I use here is 1 teaspoon, and I use the seasoning cube, almost 1 tablespoon. Yes, and here I am using 2 tablespoons of the crayfish. Always check the taste so that you don't over salt it. I'll go ahead and add the shredded oil beans and mix them until they are thoroughly combined. So have you eaten Nkwobi before? Or ishiewu? This one I'm doing here is Nkwobi because it's made of cow foot. The one that is made with goat's head is called ishiewu. I just tasted and the taste was very nice, so I don't need to add any salt again. And to the cow foot, it has been cooking for more than 45 minutes, and look at it, there is little water left in it, and I will allow it to dry a little more before I will pour in the sauce. And it's very nice that you leave some little water in there. It's already thickened because this cow leg is like a thickener. The water is thickened, so it's not that watery. When you pour your sauce in there and when you are eating it, you have some sauce that you'll be licking along with your meat. So it is good that you remain some water. So here I'll go ahead and pour in the ngo. If you are from other places, I don't know what to call this apart from what we Igbos call it. What do you call this sauce? Please let me know in the comment section below. So I'll go ahead and stir them very well and cover them again to cook for at least 5 minutes but on a low heat so that the sauce will get in the cow foot. That is very enjoyable. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you are coming to watch my video. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much. And please, if you have been watching without subscribing, what are you waiting for? Please do hit that subscription button. Thank you. So this is what we traditionally use to serve this in a restaurant or in bar where they sell this Nkwobi. They will use this little mortar to serve it, but you can as well use any plates that you have at home. That is why I am using the other one as well. So I'm going to plate it here. I don't really know how much this okwa of Nkwobi is sold now in Nigeria. Please, if you are in Nigeria, how much do they sell this okwa of Nkwobi now? Tell me so that I will collect my money from whoever I'm going to give this one. Oh my goodness. So now I finished plating them. We need the sauce. Just be pouring the sauce on top of the Nkwobi. This sauce is very delicious. Yes, you need it to, you cannot eat your meat dry. So that is it. You plate it like this, and after you will also see me garnish them. Alright, so to garnish this I am using ukazi. Ukazi is a leaf that is a little bitter, not that bitter, but if you don't like anything bitter at all, this one is not for you. And after that I will also garnish it with onion ring. We use in Nigeria this ukazi or otazi. Otazi is very much bitter than this, so this is what they eat along. And some people go ahead to slice some pepper, fresh pepper on top of it, and it goes very well. So thank you so much. Do you like the video? Please, if you like the way I prepared it, do not hesitate to give me a huge thumbs up. Okay, let me test it and see how it tastes. Yes. This is very delicious. If you want to try it, just follow the recipe and you will make a very nice Nkwobi. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.